So first of all, let's talk about freezing. Now, freezing is when a liquid changes into a solid. Now, this is the reverse of melting and it occurs at exactly the same temperature as melting. That means that the melting and the freezing point of a pure substance is the same. So now freezing requires a decrease in temperature, less kinetic energy, and after a while particles will stop moving. So melting is when a solid changes into a liquid. It requires energy which transforms into kinetic energy, allowing the particles to move. Now the melting point is specific for each solid. So, evaporation is when a liquid changes into a gas. It occurs at the surface of liquids where high energy particles can escape from liquid surfaces at low temperatures. So, that means that the larger the surface area and warmer the surface, more quickly will the liquid evaporate. So condensation is when a gas changes into a liquid. So the gas is cooled. That means that the particles will lose its energy and will turn into liquid. So now let's talk about sublimation. Now sublimation is when a solid directly changes into a gas. Now this only happens to a few solids, for example iodine or carbon dioxide. Now sublimation occurs at a specific temperature and the reverse of sublimation is deposition where the gas changes directly into a solid.